had to fill this. I didn't have another board to fit inside, so I took a whole bunch of brush and put it in there. I seen it on the primitive stuff. I got this so that they can lay on, or they can lay on the perch. New board across right there, screwed down. Nuggets laid some eggs again. These are my babies. I've been working on them all day. I broke up all the dirt. Pretty much soaked everything. And all because of those beautiful things right there in the box. There's 3 of them and a dummy egg. She wasn't laying any eggs, so I took an egg out the refrigerator and bam. Next day, I put it out there. I kept it in my pocket for a little while, but I put it out there and I had set it down here at first. And she started laying eggs, so I put it up there with her nest, and hopefully she keeps laying them, has me some babies. That's Charlie right there. I've had him a few years now. Nugget. I had one named French Fry, but I woke up one morning, came out, and she had passed away. Looked like something tried to grab her through the pen itself. So I buried her, said a prayer and everything for her. But they're living good. Look how fat they are. Come on, Charlie.